Okay, my name is Isaiah. I'm be creating a clipping mask in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you a quick example. So it's going to look just like this. So we have an image inside of our text. You can do it with text, you can do it with logo, any vectors like shapes. I'll show you all three text objects, whatever you want. So it's going to look just like this. We have an object right here, and then we have the picture right there. So if I hide the picture, it's just a plain black object, but make it visible so it's inside of it right there. You can move it around, play with it, whatever you want to do. There's two methods. This one, you just clipped it. I could show you the masking ones because it's non-destructive and it's more lenient. Like you can play around with it, so you don't. It's not like a permanent thing. I'll just show you. So we have the object right here, and then we have the picture on the top. It has to be that exact order, okay? So object on the bottom, picture on the top, just like that. You want to make the picture a little bigger because if you do it just like this, it's not gonna be inside over here. So you can start from here, hold down shift, drag it, enter, and place it right in the middle. So if we hide it, as you can see, it's right over it, just like that. So one more time, we got the object on the bottom, picture on the top. So we're going to mask it now. So all you want to do is press Command. Press Command is going to show this little hand and a square with dotted lines around it. It's not going to show it if you're not hovered over this thumbnail, this small little square right here. Because if I move to the side, it's just going to show a hand. Hold down Command, it shows both. So you click that once. As you can see, it's selected just like this. I'll hide this right here so you can see. So it's selected the object. You want to make this active, your picture, right here. And you just want to mask it by pressing this button right there. So mask. And this right here is your original object. It's untouched, it's non-destructive. Just like I was saying, it's not permanent. So you could make this visible, make that active, and there you go. So you have two. So you have the original and the masked version right there. So it's really easy. Pictures inside, just like that. If you want to move it, you can. But if you just want to move the picture inside, you want to press this button right here. So it's a little paper clip because it's clipped. So you press that once. And if you want to move, say, the object, press the right. And there you go. If you want to move the image, press the left side. See this right here? And there you go. So I'll show you the really simple version. So that was the masking version. So we'll hide that. We have it set up the same way. Picture on the top, object on the bottom. Really simple, really fast. Press Option, hover over the line in between the two. It's going to show an arrow pointing down and a square, which is basically saying it's going to clip the top to the bottom. So you press that once, and there you go. The difference between the two is when you mask it, you don't have your original and the masked version. You just have the original right here. So it's up to you which one you want to do. This one, it's really fast if you just want to do it really quick. The longer version of this is just like this. So you have two pictures, just like that. You go to Layer, and you go all the way down to Create Clipping Mask, just like this. Press it once. Okay. If you want to release it, same thing. Layer, Release Clipping Mask. It's not going to work if the object, shape, text, logo is on the top. So I'll move it to the top. So if I go here, Layer, Create Clipping Mask, it doesn't really do anything. Because you're putting the top one inside the bottom. So this logo is going inside the picture, just like that. You could also do with text and shapes, so I'll show you both. So here's the text. Make it a little bigger. And we'll take a picture. We'll use this one. I guess we only have one picture. Okay, same way. So take the image, put it on top of the text. See right here, on top. And we'll do the real fast way. Option, clip. Option, release. Hold the text down, press Command. See the little hand and the square. Press that once. See it selected just like this. Here, here, here. Make this active. You have to make this active because if you press that and mask it, it's not going to do anything. Command Z. So you make this active. Press mask. There you go. I'll show you with an object. So take an object, circle, put it right in the middle. We'll take a picture again. So same way, picture on the top, object on the bottom. You can't really do it if it's all the way up here. It has to be right next to each other. So if I try to do this and do layer, create clipping mask, it just clips it to the folder, but as you can see, it's not really working out. So we'll move it at the bottom, move it right on top of the shape, just like that. I'll show you the first way, which is masking. So you press Command, press the thumbnail, show the hand, square, click it once, see it selected just like that. Make this active, mask, there you go. If you see that little black line around it, that's just your original image right here, your original object or shape. So you just hide it and it disappears. Because masking is non-destructive, so you have your original one right there. Just like that. That's pretty much it. Really simple, really easy. You play around with it, see what you want to do. Thanks for watching.